Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about sum product function in Microsoft Excel. The sum product function is used to find sum of multiplications, and in this video I will show you how to use this function and make small changes to the function to make it more useful. So I have this list of products, the quantity sold and the unit price, and typically how we do it, we simply multiply the quantity with the price to get the total price of individual item, drag the formula down, and then we sum all the numbers. We can do the same using sum product formula. And the first argument is array 1. I will select the quantity, comma, array 2 is the unit price, close the bracket, enter, and I have got the same result. Now let's do a small modification to this formula. I only want to find the total price of the screwdriver sold, so I will copy this here, and now I will use sum product. My first array is this list of products, and I want this list of product to match with my criteria, so I will put equals this cell. Now when we are using the sum product formula using this format, we have to enclose the argument in the bracket and put another bracket to use the overall sum product formula. So this was my array 1. Then second one I will put comma, second array is the quantity, third array is the unit price. I will close, press enter. So this formula has not worked properly. The issue with that, the sum product is multiplying the numbers with numbers, and as you can see, my first array is a text. So to solve this problem, you can simply replace this comma with a multiplication symbol on both instances, and you will find that you will get a result. Now I have got the result against screwdriver only. So now this formula is basically multiplying the first array with the second and third, but in case of first array, the equal sign is checking each entry in this column against this criteria, and wherever it is true, it is taking it as one instance of true count. So this is true, false, true, false, and all other are false. So only at 2 instances it is taking it as true. So this true count is multiplied with the quantity and price, and we are getting the result. Now let's use this formula to do another exercise. I have this data, a list of managers along with the salesperson attached to each manager, and then the sales done by each salesperson. So I have made this small table, which is basically just a VLOOKUP to get the salespersons under each manager, and then when I'm using this drop down list, it is changing the name of manager, salesperson, and then sales value is coming from this table. This has been done using the SUMIFS function, so I will be doing the same using the sum product function. So let's use sum product, and what I want to do is to select the first array. I will lock this array. Equals should be the name of manager in my criteria, which is cell F4. I will lock this also, and again I will close this bracket and put another bracket for the overall sum product function, comma my second array, which is the salesperson name. Again, I will lock the cell reference and equals, it should be equal to my salesperson. And here I will not lock this cell to make it full absolute reference, rather I will just lock in the cell in the column F, because I want to drag my formula down, so it should move in this column only. Again, I will put two brackets to close the second array argument, comma my third array is the sales value, and I will close, press enter. Now you see again the same problem, I'm not getting the result. I can use the static as a multiplying operator to get my result. Now you can see I got the result. And another way of doing this, if you want to keep the comma in the formula, is to place two negative signs before any text array. So what it is doing is basically multiplying your text array with the -1 sign to convert into a number. Press enter and the result is still same. So this is how you can use the sum product formula to find the sum of multiplications. I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe the channel and give the thumbs up.